how to view your like posts on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application. Now on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. Tap on your profile here. Now the next thing that you're going to do is on the upper right, you'll see the three dash lines. Click on the three dash lines and go here to your activity. Now, after clicking your activity, on the very first option under interactions here, you'll see likes. Now, if you click on that, here you'll see all the posts or videos that you have liked. And as you can see here, I have liked this post. As you can see, I have also liked that one. And you can even sort it out from newest to oldest or vice versa. And you can even set a date, for example, date range, a specific date range here. And then even you just want to tap on the past week here or past year. And then you can also add all contents here. It's either reels that you have liked, or I'm sorry for that, or posts that you have liked. Or you can even tap on all content types. And basically, that's it. That is how you view your like posts on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.